Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. We're taking a look at one of our 3-in-1 deluxe truck bed skid assemblies. This is equipped with an 8-gallon pressure washer, a 7-gallon per minute soft wash system, and a complete RODI window cleaning system. We'll go ahead and start right here at the pressure washer, and then we'll move around to both sides. So with the pressure washer, this is a Honda GX690 engine with a TSF series 8-gallon per minute pump. We have the electric start, which shows the hour meter on here, so very easy to start, easy to track your maintenance. We have below is our inlet reel. So 100 foot of hose connects to your water source, and then it fills the 100-gallon onboard tank for your water. And we do have an additional 100-gallon tank for your bleach, along with a 7-gallon surfactant tank. So you've got all tanks on board, very easy to get to, very easy to fill, and get everything situated before you go out to your job sites. Now, one of the big things we do with the pressure washer is we put bleeder valves on them so that we can get all of the air out of the water line between the pressure washer's water tank and in between the pump head. What this does is it makes it very easy for startup, and it prevents you from damaging any seals or check valves from not having sufficient water. And the other thing we do is put a cool bypass system in, so it's recirculating the water back to your water tank and keeping that pump head nice and cool when it's in operation. We'll move over here. This is a downstream manifold. This is connected to the pressure washer's soap injector. Soap injector is located on the hose reel, which we'll get to here in a second, but this allows you to choose or blend your soaps. So we have our bleach or SH and surfactant. You can open these valves, blend them together, or use them individually. And then this one that says dip is for our dip hose assembly, which we have positioned right here. You won't always have everything on board for specialty cleaners, your degreasers, your rust removers, any of those kinds of things. So we have an additional assembly here so that you can use those individual components on an as-needed basis. And then you can use this also to clean out your soap injector by dropping it into the water tank and doing a good rinse. Moving around to the passenger side of the skid, we have our soft wash system. So it's easy to get to all of your levers, to change your ratios on your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. Down here we have a flush valve so that we can rinse at full flow, a full 7-gallon per minute. And then you can also make sure all of these lines are cleaned out and free of bleach. We have 200 feet of soft wash hose, and then we have 200 feet of pressure washer hose. All of the hose reels on board here are the Titan aluminum hose reels. Our spray hoses have stainless manifolds, and then on the inlet hose we have a 1-inch high flow manifold that fills that tank very quickly. For pressure washer nozzles, those are positioned down here, easy to get to, and then here is the soap injector that we discussed earlier. It is adjustable, so you can change your ratios on here, or you can use that soap manifold to adjust your ratios as well. Above here is the RO membrane for the RODI system, for your window cleaning system. So we just have this positioned where it's easy to take the cartridge out for maintenance, and then we'll go around and you'll see the rest of the system on the other side. The skid itself is made out of a super heavy grade aluminum. It has the adjustable ladder rack on it, so we don't have issues with these as far as fitment in different vehicles. And we also don't have issues with them cracking or breaking over time. We see some of that happen in a very short period of time, but this the heavier duty aluminum keeps everything nice and secure and safely installed. Okay, so now that we're on the driver's side, we have our window cleaning reel. This is holding 150 foot of the window cleaning hose, but it is in tandem with an additional 100-foot section of hose that goes with the water-fed pole. So the water-fed pole is here, does include a 30-foot pole. There's an additional red hose that goes inside that, so you have a 250-foot total reach with that. You can add additional sections as needed. This will hold up to 300 feet on the reel. We have a fuel tank for our gas engine on the pressure washer. This will hold 11 gallons. It does have a gauge on top so you can see when your tank is full. And then our surfactant tank, like I said, easily accessible from the driver's side. Above on the surface cleaner rack is the rest of the cartridges for that RODI system. And it goes through a 4-stage filtration so that you have 0 parts per million whenever you go to do your window cleaning. This system does include the surface cleaner rack, and all of the components that you see in here. If you have any questions on it, please take a look at our website. It's 3rpressurewashers.com, or give us a call. Thanks.